I'm starting off with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Fawn. Now when you're applying your concealer, you want to try to do a triangle shape or a V shape. You don't have to, but you want to try to. I am going to highlight on top of my lip. That step is optional. You don't have to do it, but I just did it. Now I'm highlighting the bridge of my nose and my forehead. I'm doing that because my nose is a bit pudgy, so I like to make my nose smaller. That step is optional as well. Next, I'm going to take some setting spray, and I'm going to spray it on the beauty blender, and then I'm just going to dab that into my highlight. I do not like using dab beauty blenders only because I feel like my highlight don't last all day when I do that. So I don't really damp my beauty blender. I just literally spray a setting spray and just dab. Just keep blending until you don't see any harsh lines. You want to make sure that everything is straight. No harsh lines. Now I'm going to take my Balq Opal foundation stick, and this is in the shade Walnut. I'm going to go over my cheekbones, my temple, and then the top of my forehead. Take my Real Technique contour brush, and then I'm going to use a circular motion just to blend it out. Y'all literally just keep blending. Now I'm going to take the same concealer and go under my contour. This does nothing but bring out the contour part, so it makes your contour pop. And we're just going to blend that the same way we did everything. Next, I'm going to take the same foundation stick and I'm going to contour my nose. This step is optional. I do this because I have like a pudgy nose, and this makes my nose a lot smaller. So this is why I do that for me, but you don't have to. Like I said again, the step is optional. pat this into my face. Now, sometimes I have oily skin, sometimes I have dry skin. It's the winter time, so my face is a tad bit more dry. So because I don't want to have like cracks and different things like that in my makeup, I'm going to pat it in my skin instead of baking. But if you have oily skin, you might want to bake. And setting powder does nothing but set your makeup in place, so you won't have runny makeup. And it actually helps your makeup last all day. Every part you put the LA Pro Girl or whatever type of concealer you use, that's where you want to place the powder. I'm going to apply it up under the contour as well. And again, that just makes the contour pop even more, and it sets the concealer. Next, I'm going to take my Real Techniques buffing brush, and I'm just going to wipe away that excess powder. Then I'm going to take the Anastasia contour palette, and I'm going to use the darker shade in there. This is a powder, and this just sets the contour into place. Every time I use a cream for my contour, I use a powder over it just to set it in place. Next, I'm going to take my MAC Studio Fix, and I'm going to use that to set my entire face. I'm going to set every part of my face but the contour part, and the highlight part rather. And I believe this is in the shade NW45 if I'm not mistaken. Next, I'm going to take my Morphe Contentious setting spray, and I'm going to set, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.